Something that Squarespace is really lacking is the ability to do a lot of customization towards the to the design of a summary block. Now, you can do this with CSS. I'd like to see some more from them natively. They seem to be doing a lot with contact forms right now. If they could do that with summary blocks as well, that'd be great. But one thing that I think is sorely lacking is the ability to just simply round the corners of the thumbnails. So I'm going to show you a really, really simple bit of code to fix that and to add those curves on your site. So I've got my summary block here. You can see if I go into the editor and I double click and I go into design, I've not got much. I can do the aspect ratio, size of the text, what's displayed. And you can put for some reason, you can put a big line around it, which just looks daft. But what I want to do, let's take that background off. What I want to do is I want to round these corners, which I can't do. So let's go into website, pages, website tools, and custom CSS. And we're going to grab the ID for these here. So Shift, Command, and C is going to bring up Google Chrome Developer Tools. Click on this, and we're going to grab this right here. If we copy that in, use some squiggly brackets. So we put border, radius, 10px, and you can see here it's not going to give us any curvature at all. So we need to get rid of this, and we're just going to stick an asterisk in there, and that is going to give us the desired roundage of the corners. So I think actually you should be able to drop this if we want to minify the code a little bit. So it's basically summary, thumbnail container, asterisk, border radius 10px. And you can have a little fiddle with this radius if you want. I usually stick to 10. I feel like that works best, but you know, each to their own. So that's how you do it. If you've got rounded images on your site or you use rounded buttons, then this is going to be a really nice little tool for you just to keep everything uniform throughout the site. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.